China's rich history is shaped by its powerful dynasties, cultural revolutions, and world-changing innovations. This journey through 5,000 years will unveil how China evolved from ancient settlements into a global powerhouse. Let's dive in. The roots of Chinese civilization formed around the Yellow River and Yangtze River valleys, where early Neolithic cultures thrived. By 2070 BCE, the Xia Dynasty, often regarded as semi-mythical, emerged. It introduced irrigation systems to control deadly floods, laying the foundation for centralized rule. Around 1600 BCE, the Shang Dynasty rose to power, ushering in the Bronze Age. These rulers developed early Chinese writing and established complex social hierarchies. However, their harsh rule led to their downfall at the hands of the Zhou. The Zhou Dynasty, ruling from 1046 to 256 BCE, introduced the concept of the mandate of heaven, justifying rulers based on divine approval. This era also saw the rise of Confucianism and Taoism, shaping Chinese ethics, governance, and culture for centuries. Over time, the Zhou weakened, leading to the Warring States period. In 221 BCE, Qin Shi Huang conquered rival states and became China's first emperor. He standardized currency, writing, and measurements, and built the first segments of the Great Wall. However, his brutal reign and book burnings led to widespread rebellion after his death. From 206 BCE to 220 CE, the Han Dynasty solidified Chinese culture and expanded its borders. With the rise of the Silk Road, China became a hub for global trade, exporting silk and innovations like paper. This period saw great advancements in astronomy, medicine, and governance. Following the Han collapse, China split into three warring kingdoms. This chaotic period, filled with legendary battles and strategists like Zhuge Liang, inspired countless novels and films. Ultimately, the Qin Dynasty briefly reunified China before falling into another era of division. After centuries of fragmentation, the Sui Dynasty reunified China, but fell due to overambitious projects like the Grand Canal. From 618 to 907 CE, the succeeding Tang Dynasty marked a golden age of culture, poetry, and international influence. Buddhism flourished and China became the most powerful empire of its time. The Song Dynasty, ruling from 960 to 1279 CE, pioneered many inventions, including gunpowder, movable type printing, and paper currency. They developed a thriving economy and vibrant urban culture, but struggled with military threats from northern invaders. In 1271, Kublai Khan established the Yuan Dynasty, marking the first time foreigners ruled China. The Mongols expanded trade along the Silk Road, connecting China with Europe. However, their rule was short-lived as internal strife and natural disasters weakened their hold. The Ming Dynasty, from 1368 to 1644 CE, overthrew the Mongols and restored Han Chinese rule. It saw the construction of the Forbidden City and Zheng He's legendary naval expeditions, which showcased China's might across Asia and Africa. Yet economic troubles and corruption paved the way for the Manchus. The Qing Dynasty, ruling from 1644 to 1912 CE, expanded China's territory to its greatest extent. However, foreign invasions, the Opium Wars, and internal rebellions weakened its power. By 1912, the last emperor abdicated, ending over 2 millennia of imperial rule. The fall of the Qing led to the Republic of China, followed by decades of war and political turmoil. In 1949, the People's Republic of China was established, shaping the modern superpower we see today. As China grows globally, its historical legacy still influences its governance, trade, and technological advancements. The nation is leading in artificial intelligence, green energy, and space exploration, carrying the wisdom of its ancestors into the future. China's dynastic history is a tale of resilience, innovation, and transformation. Its legacy continues to shape the world from ancient emperors to modern leadership. If you enjoyed this deep dive, like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating history stories.